What's good, Nicky?
Oh, what up, man?
Man, I'm freaking starving.
Oh, crap. Dude, I think I locked my keys in my car.
Dang, so what are you gonna do?
I guess I'm gonna have to call a locksmith.
24-hour locksmith, this is Toby.
Oh, hey, Toby. I locked my keys in my car, and I need some help.
Okay, well, we have Garth out in the field right now. What are your crossroads?
Yeah, I'm at the diner on the corner of Power and Baseline.
Alright, tower and baseline it is. He'll be out there shortly. Thanks, bye.
Okay, well, they said they're sending someone out, so hopefully they'll come soon.
Yee.
Man, this is taking forever.
Yeah, man, you know what else is taking forever? This freaking waitress. Where's she at, man?
Oh, hold on, I'm getting a call. Hello?
This is Garth, the locksmith.
Oh, hey.
I can't find Tower Road.
Oh, no. I'm at the diner on Power Road.
You said tower.
Well, that was weird. I'm gonna go use a restroom. I'll be right back.